Hello, welcome to Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. My name is David Hinote. I'm one of the product specialties here. And today we'd like to show you the 2023 Ford Bronco. This is the sport model, and it's actually a Badlands, which means it's set up for off-road, which means you've got skid plates underneath it to help it. You've got 17-inch tires. It also has the Class 2 trailer hitch on it. And if you look at, you've got plenty of storage compartments still, plus you have the 12 volt and 110 volt hookups. So you can power equipment through the back of your truck. It has front tow hooks on both sides in case you do get stuck somewhere. It has power mirrors, heated mirrors, so if you're in the cold and you need the mirrors heated up, they'll defrost for you. It has the roof rack, adjustable. If you need to put stuff on top of the roof, that's a nice option. So you can carry stuff if you got a kayak, a small one, canoe or something. And like I said, you've got your rear sensors in the back. So when you're backing up, you can see exactly where you're going, and it'll tell you where you're at, how close you are to another vehicle, and it'll tell you when to stop, which is a fantastic option. All right, on the inside here, you can see everything is fully adjustable. Your mirrors, your seats. You've got front and back, lumbar, and it raises. Also, another nice feature this vehicle has is you can, right here, control what mode you want to put it in. You can put it in normal, which is for normal driving, or if you want to go off-road, sand, mud, you can change it to different settings, which will adjust the transmission in the rear end to adjust for those modes. And that has really nothing to do with your park, reverse, normal, and drive. It strictly helps the vehicle. And this is also an electric or full start, so you don't use a key. It's automatic. You have your push button right here. You push it and it starts the vehicle, turns the vehicle off, which is really nice. Everything is fully automated. Let me turn it on for you. So when you're in park, when you go into reverse, here's your rear view sensing. It shows you where you're going, which is a fantastic help. It shows exactly where you're at, and it lets you know if you get too close. And it also has it's called Pilot 360, where it senses if somebody's coming close to you, or if you're getting too close to somebody, it lets you know. And the upholstery on this one, like I said, it's the Bronco Badlands. It's like a veneer, and then you got like a leather, and it also has the Bronco emblem in it. Very comfortable, very nice, and very breathable. Leather. Your back is the same type of seats. You also have your pull down in the center. Drop down the seats to give you more room in the back. It expands your trunk space. So your trunk basically becomes twice the size. Plus you've got this fold down workspace here that you could work on. Has a tape measure and everything in it. This folds down. You've got a full workspace. And one other thing I didn't mention, your rear wiper blades on the top, they also come with a washer, so it cleans them off. All right, let's go for a test drive. This comes with a 2.0 EcoBoost engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And one thing you'll like is everything is right at your fingertips. On the screen right here, you can adjust your radio, your air conditioning, all your settings, all your apps are right here on this screen. And it also has you've got your 12-volt charger, you've got the UBS charger, and it also has for a C charger, which is for iPhones. So you can charge your iPhone from here also. Plus it has a charging pad right here in the center compartment where all you have to do is lay your phone on it and it will automatically charge your phone. That is one nice feature. You don't even have to worry about plugging it in. And all of our vehicles, like I said, it comes with this, it's called a Pilot 360, and that will let you know when somebody is getting close to you, or if you're getting too close to somebody. If you're getting too close to the center line, it will show you, and it will actually alert you to move over a little bit or get back in line. That is an awesome feature. And we also have the Ford app that you can connect to, where you can control it from actually outside of your car. You can start the car, turn it off, do any of the functions of the car from your phone. So let's say you want to warm up your car, get it fired up ahead of time in cold weather, not a problem. You use your phone app and it will do all that for you. So right now we're driving on some back roads here and it's very smooth. Acceleration is par for none. Like I said, it's a 2.0 liter engine, which is plenty of power, and you're good for towing. Like I said, it comes with a number 2 hitch, which we do have different models where you can get larger hitches if you want, but the sport model, the one we're driving right now, has the number 2 hitch on it, and it comes with it. And the good thing is with reverse sensing, when you're backing up to something, you can see exactly what you're hitching up to. And this is one vehicle I would not hesitate talking to somebody about, offering it to them, because it does have so many features. You know, if you're going off-road, or even if you're not going off-road, if you just like to explore, like I said, it does have the skid plates underneath, so it will protect the underneath. It's under the engine and transmission and the rear end. It does have the, I believe it's 10 speakers with the new sound system that they've got. It's the BM speaker system, which is awesome. If you'd like to come to the dealership, we do have some on the lot right now. I'd love to show them to you. Like I said, my name is David Hinote, and my phone number is 812-972-2679. Just give me a call, and we can set up an appointment for a test drive and a demo. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.
If you want to say